Behind the lines, because we're starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match 111 officially underway here on the Curie division. We've got 2 pieces of coral being scored for red, and along with 1 piece of algae. Looks like the Blue Alliance is going to focus primarily on coral up on level 4, courtesy of all 3 Blue Alliance robots. 1329 seems to be parked along with 5813. Blue Alliance is going to take the slight advantage as the Red Alliance final tally is calculated. We are 44 all. Heading into our teleoperated period, robots are going to come alive. Students are going to start taking control. 5813 is going to drop off a piece of algae that they picked up right at the end of Autonomous directly into the Red Alliance barge and convert that over for 4 points. Team 75, the Robo Raiders, launching themselves on over to drop off a piece of algae into the processor to quickly be scored by the opposing Alliance human player. Same thing going on the opposite side of the field with blue and red. These teams are going to get their cooperation bonus starting and going. Blue Alliance is going to jump back ahead with 100 to 91 with a little over a minute left to play. But Red Alliance is going to say no way, and they're going to jump back ahead by another 10 points. Red Alliance is very close to finishing level 4. Blue Alliance has 1 more open spot than red, but they've got further progress on level 3. We're going to go back and forth on pieces of coral. We've got 3 Red Alliance robots picking up a piece of coral and 3 Red Alliance robots converting that into points on the Red Alliance reef. Same with the Blue Alliance, a fully offensive match going on here in match number 111. These teams are going to try to fight for that high score to get as many points as possible to convert that into our rankings. With about a minute left to play, we're 147 all. It's going to be piece for piece, game piece for game piece. We're equally matched almost in terms of algae, in terms of the coral. Teams are going to transfer back and forth. Team 75, the Robo Raiders, grabbing another piece of coral along with their partners Morpheus, searching on over, combing the seafloor for any opportunities to get something other than their human feed station. Looks like 1706 is going to make their way through the cages in order to grab a piece of algae and start converting those points. We're still at 172 all. These teams keep tying up, and with every piece of coral that they place. Blue Alliance side of the field, Team Remembrance trying to navigate their way around their partners 469. Both world champions on the field, but potentially the Red Alliance containing 3 new world champions. We shall see how the weekend shapes up. 1706 places in a piece of algae right as our sonar sounds. I mean, it's time for these teams to start transitioning towards the end game, changing their focus over towards the cages. With 2 points apiece, it's going to come down to the climbs. We're going to see who can start bubbling towards the surface. Looks like Blue Alliance is trying to engage. Red Alliance trying to do so as well. Looks like we got at least 1 robot up on either side. But we'll turn it over to our referees as we end this match. Alliance that's going to take the lead. 209 to 199. Blue Alliance is going to walk home with 6 ranking points. 3 for the win and 3 for the robot action. Red Alliance is only going to walk home with 2, 1 for the auto and 1 for the reef.